Hello, this is a quick video to show fitting the cog into the Jaguar XF X250 air vent. So first of all, you make sure the air vent is closed, and then what we want to do is line up this plastic notch here with this plastic little notch here, and I'll just do that with two hands. You want to twist it round, and if you look through the little hole at the same time, you actually feel it click in. So once you feel it and see it, you just push down like that. Make sure the air vent is fully closed, and then get the motor, and it should, you just give it a gentle push, that's it. It'll push in, and then you just put your screws in to screw it down, and that'll hold it all in place and fit it back into the car. So that's how you want to do it.